So they also sell water closet for your toilets. The price range from 9,000 to 7,000 pesos. So from 9,000 you also have a cash discount of 1,296. So that's the discount if you pay cash. And you also can avail that for the zero interest via Metrobank credit card or PS Bank credit card. And they have here the 6-7. And they got the common toilets here for 4-5 for this one. Hangin hinugay ka diri. And they have sinks. Nga masarya pong kay sink. Like this. This is a double sink.
Mga gunmetal na siya. Iyahang material.
Unsa ma'am?
Gunmetal.
Grand metal? Gunmetal.
Ganang iyahang material. Gamit sa nagihimog mga armas.
Oh, so this sink is very thick. So I was asking what it is. They said this is the metal used for the sink are the one used for guns. So it's gun metal. And this double sink is 10,180 and they still got discount if you pay cash. This is still the same gun metal one. 5-4
With accessories na siya.
with drain. Wala pa yung lababo. Kanang gripo.
Kanang wala lang siya.
So it comes with your drainage on the bottom for the bottom thing, but you only have to install the. So these are made of gunmetal. It is very thick. It's not your ordinary aluminum. And here 6,300 for this darker color one, and the bronze one is 6,960. Like this one, the different lighter one, 6,960. This one, metal looking like stainless steel, 5,400, less 10% if you pay cash. Now you can see the backing of that sink. It is very solid than my aluminum. Maka-order ta ni by size, ma'am, or ani na gyud yung standard?
Ano na siya may analog pilihan size.
Because I like this one. Kaya it's dili kay siya malumping man ba? Because it's not like, look at the aluminum here. It easily dents, whereas this gun metal gun, the one they use for arms, seems to be very solid and it's not prone to denting when you hit your pots and pans while you're washing, and it's also deep. I like it because it's deep. And of course they have this a common aluminum one like this one. That's only 1,150 for this design here on the top. And they have the big one with longer. That one is 2,250. And like this one is 2,250. That's 2,250 and 2,250. So what I like about this gunmetal sink, number one, I never seen this around the hardware. Hindi ko kita this mga hardware. Only here, or perhaps they just come in to the Cebu market. But it seems to be a very solid finish and not prone to denting when you're washing. So the sizes, unsay sizes ani ma'am? Mo ni siya, alum tile trim ni ma'am. Handmade sink. Look, you can see it there. It's a handmade sink, but it's got no sizes. So 9,350. It's quite expensive, but I could tell you, this is aluminum. This is the handmade one. It's quite very heavy. It comes with the fittings for the drain.
May kuan pa rin siya dito itong mga para sa mga sapon.
Soap holders. But these are the industrial grade ones. You can tell. I'm really impressed with this sink. Kuan sa ni siya ga? Kanang stainless steel sa ni siya, mamish?
Yes, ma'am.
Dili ni siya matayon?
Hindi.
So, it's also stainless steel, heavy metal, and not prone to denting. So, this is handmade sinks. Handmade sinks made of gunmetal. But I don't have my... They don't have measurements man, ma'am. Oy. Lagi. You have to measure it. Asam to kong boy. So, we're measuring the handmade sink made of metal gun. Gun metal. That's how much siya, ma'am? 78 centimeters for this one. And katong ang yung kina... ...43 centimeters. So, this one is 78 by 43. Na siya? 78 by 43.
Kani siya mo siya
16. So this is the measurement on the 16. 60 by 45 centimeters. So the 60 by 45, it's now the same. So 60 centimeters by 45. That's again 60 gapon the same. 60 by 45. So I'm really impressed because it's a heavy metal. You can see that it's not prone to denting and it's very heavy. They also sell doors but not solid doors. This one is 80 by 210. That's 4,000 pesos only. Nana ni siya door frame, Ma'am Michelle? Wala pa. It's only the door, but this is not solid door, I have to tell you. This is 80 by 210. So, it's like a hollow inside. It is good, actually. Lagi. It is good for bedroom doors, no? Like marine, this is 70 by 210. Ang saingan sa inyong doors ga? The door to happy. The Gold State door. The Golden State door. They are recommended only for internal doors. So that 70 by 210 is 2,790. You can see the price here. Plus kaning luyo dong ba? Ang kanang price. So this Diba, ma'am? So these are the different doors. Design that they do. O kanima na siya, ma'am, no? Pila ni siya, ma'am?
Ano yun siya mo, may kanang 4,500. Kanang may cash discount na 500, 4,000.
So about 4,000 pesos is actually 4,500. If you pay cash, you can get it for 4,000. So these are the different door designs. And this so na melamine door, these are the engineered door, internal doors, because they are not made solid doors, but they also have melamine doors. And you can see there the prices. Not the prices, the sizes. Kanitanan? Pila 19?
2975.
So this any sizes ani 210. So this one melamine door 70 by 210 or 80 by 210 is 2,975. Only in white. So they also got it in colored. And those are the sizes available. 70 by 210, 80 by 210 for the melamine doors. Wow, ninduta. Dili di siya solid wood, no? Madukol-dukol ra siya. But it's not really that hollow that is cheap looking, but it's cheap, but you can see it's quite solid as well. So kani siya 2,975 na lang ni. Oh, 4,000. Kaya this is 90 by 210. 4,000. Yan kana siya 2,790. Mo man dito kay tong 2,975, no? Ito the melamine doors, but these are the wooden doors. So this is 4,000 pesos. So you can come here, visit here in their showroom. They are just open. So this is the location of Solera Ceramics and General Merchandise here in Liloan Road. You can see this is Liloan Road. That's on the way to Cebu, and this is what you see on the side of the road. Is MHD. MHD is now Solera's Builders Bargain Center.